Section 914, we're going to take a look at sum and difference identities. So we're going to use the sum and difference identities to verify the trig identities. So remember, these are our identities. We need to memorize them. So we'll show that the left side equals the right side, or the right side equals the left side. Now on the left, because inside my angle I am adding two, or inside my trig ratio, I'm adding two things. That tells me it's a sum and difference identity. So the sum and difference identity for sine is sine of, we'll just say a plus b is sine a sine b, cosine b plus sine b cosine a. So this is my A, this is my B. So I'm going to have sine A cosine B plus sine B cosine A. Cosine X. So now I need to use the unit circle. Sine of X is sine of X. Cosine of 2 pi is 1. Sine of 2 pi is 0. 0 times cosine x cancels out. 1 times sine x is sine x. So those equal. Again, sum and difference identity. Cosine of a minus b is cosine a cosine b. The sign changes, sine A, sine B. So we got cosine A, cosine B, sign changes, sine A, sine B. So the cosine of x is x, cosine of 2 pi is 1, sine of x is sine of x, sine of 2 pi is 0, 0 times anything cancels out. So I'm left with cosine x. Now with tangent, see it's 1 plus tangent, 1 minus tangent. I don't know how that simplifies, so I'm going to use the left side. And it looks like a sum and difference identity. So tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A times tangent B. So tangent x plus tangent of pi force. At pi force, it's root 2 over 2, comma, root 2 over 2. So sine over cosine equals 1. So I get my tangent of x plus 1 over, this is also 1. So 1 times tangent of x. And then I can just rewrite it. 1 plus tangent x over 1 minus tangent x. For this last one, we have the sine of pi force. Okay, so this is the sine sum and difference identity. So we have sine A cosine B, sine stays the same, sine B cosine A. And then on the other one, so plus, that's this plus. And we have sine A cosine B minus sine B cosine A. Now the question, does that equal to root 2 cosine? Well, this is radical 2 over 2 times cosine x plus this is also radical 2 over 2 sine x. This is radical 2 over 2 cosine x, and then minus radical 2 over 2 sine x, because the cosine of pi force and the sine of pi force is going to be radical 2 over 2. So these cancel out, and then I can combine these together. Now this is kind of weird, but when I add them together, there's kind of like a 1 in front. So 1 plus 1 is 2 root 2 over 2 cosine x. So the 2's cancel out, and I get root 2 cosine x. So what did we learn today? We used sum and difference identities to be able to verify our identities. This does conclude our lesson. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments.